Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho like a restaurant. First, the broth is your foundation. Start with several pounds of beef bones, like knuckle or marrow, ensuring they are thoroughly cleaned. Roasting these bones with onions and ginger before simmering creates a deep, complex base. You'll want to simmer this mixture for at least 6 to 8 hours, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld and develop into a truly authentic pho broth. Next, we infuse the broth with its signature aromatics. Gently toast whole spices like star anise, cloves, and a cinnamon stick until fragrant. Separately, char ginger and onions directly over a flame or under a broiler. This brings out their sweetness and depth. Add these to your simmering broth along with a small piece of rock sugar and a few tablespoons of good quality fish sauce. These elements are crucial for that authentic, restaurant-quality taste. Now let's prepare the other essential components. For the noodles, always choose fresh, flat rice noodles. They offer the best texture. For the meat, thinly slice raw beef cuts like eye round or flank steak. You can also include cooked brisket or meatballs. Before serving, quickly blanch your fresh noodles in boiling water for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, ensuring they are perfectly tender but not mushy, and then drain them well. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Place the blanched noodles at the bottom of a large, warm bowl. Arrange your thinly sliced raw beef, cooked brisket, or meatballs on top. Then generously ladle the piping hot, aromatic broth over everything. The heat of the broth will gently cook the raw beef. Serve immediately with a side plate of fresh garnishes like basil, cilantro, lime wedges, and bean sprouts, plus hoisin and sriracha sauces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.